Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. They say I was broken. How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Hello my sweet friends and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today's video guys, I'm really excited to share. I'm going to share with you a makeover of my glam master bedroom. I hope you enjoy.
Think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same.
So guys, this is currently what my master bedroom looks like. I haven't shared this with you before, but I put up a few months ago this Kmart wallpaper. Now it's coming up as blue on screen, but it's actually green. Now I really miss the neutral tones in my room. I love having my backdrop as completely neutral so I can add my pops of colour. And guys, I couldn't believe my excitement when I happened to go on Google and just Googled rose wallpaper, and this gorgeous wallpaper comes straight up. I was really excited guys that it actually come in this gorgeous green colour. Now it does come in a number of other colours, but I really loved the cream, and I love that it has glam glitter petals. So I started by removing all my furniture, my bedside tables, as well as my bed head.
I'm not broken.
And because it's peel and stick wallpaper, I'm going to take it down.
I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
So after taking it down guys, there was some damage to the walls, and off camera I touched that up and then painted over the top of it so that once I put the new wallpaper on, you wouldn't be able to see it through. Now, as this was not peel and stick wallpaper, I'm going to make up some wallpaper glue that I picked up from Bunnings. And basically what it is, guys, is just putting half of the packet into a bowl of cold water. So basically you're just going to continue to stir it up until all the glue dissolves. Then you let it sit for a few minutes guys, come back and give it a little bit more of a stir, and until it has that really thick part to it. So I added some more here, and then before I placed it on the wall it was all dissolved. So guys, a handy tip when putting up wallpaper. I was home alone this day, so I didn't have anyone helping me, but I decided that I'd just put a little bit of double-sided tape on the back of the wallpaper. I'd then place it up against the wall, and then I would cut it to size. So that way, before I actually put any glue on the wallpaper, I know exactly where to cut it. And then I'm going to do the same thing as I go along so that the pattern will line up.
Favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it.
I then took a paintbrush guys, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the entire area with the glue. So then I took the first piece guys and I pasted it to the wall, and I kept going along and I was so happy with how it was coming. So this is how the room looked once it was finished, and I was so excited, guys. I love it so much. Now, I really wanted to cozy up the space, so off camera I brought in this beautiful tufted ruffled comforter and placed it on the bed, as well as this gorgeous chunky knit throw, which is from Pottery Barn. I also added this gorgeous knitted throw blanket, and I love the neutral tones. Now, above my bed, I added this gorgeous rose-coloured wreath. Now, behind my bedside tables, I have these beautiful French provincial mirrors that I recently picked up from Spotlight, and then I just added my decor back onto the table. I then added back to the bed my checkered cushions. These are Euro cushions from Adairs, and I really love them. But my favourite cushion of all at the moment, guys, is this beautiful rose-coloured flower cushion that is from Temu. I also changed out the art in my frames, which I recently picked up from TK Maxx.
You tossed me like a stone. You swept me off my feet, and I can feel my bones. I still count the days. You swept me off my feet. I keep going high, she keeps going low. Something feels wrong right now, I know. Something feels wrong. You don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fire. And lies. I keep going high, she keeps going low. At the end of the day, she's gone low. You don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fire. And you can tell them that.
Guys, I'm so in love with how my master bedroom came. Just by taking a few simple ideas, I was able to give it that glam touch I was aiming for.
I could feel the pain. It's been so many days. I still feel the pain. I still feel the pain.
I'm so in love with this beautiful rose wallpaper, guys. The best part of all about this wallpaper, it was just $24 for a roll of 10 meters. Now, it's not peel and stick, guys. It was a little bit of a workout putting the glue on the wall, but I'm so happy with it, and I love that it is so neutral.
At the end of the day, she's gone low. You don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fire.
Now, guys, I'll leave a link for the wallpaper for you down below, along with that beautiful Temu rose flower cushion.
And you can tell them lies. I still count the days. I still feel the pain. You don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fire. I won't wait for you, 'cause you keep telling lies. I keep going high, she keeps going low. At the end of the day, she's gone low. You don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fire. And you can tell them that.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed decorating my glam master bedroom. I hope you all have an amazing weekend, and I'll be back next week for more videos here at Chellesglamhome.